Did you know that the first fully robotic US factory has sent shockwaves all the way to the Chinese government? This groundbreaking shift in manufacturing has major implications worldwide. Stay tuned to discover how automation is revolutionizing industries and what it means for the future of work. Major automakers such as BMW are at the forefront of a technological shift, embracing humanoid robots in their factories. These robots, equipped with advanced capabilities, are revolutionizing the traditional manufacturing process. BMW's collaboration with a robotics startup figure signifies a strategic step towards increased automation and efficiency in production. The integration of humanoid robots, like Boston Dynamics Atlas, showcases the potential for innovation in handling automotive tasks. With billionaire Bill Gates highlighting the significance of robotic advancements, the automotive industry is witnessing a paradigm shift towards embracing cutting-edge technology. This shift not only promises increased precision and reliability in manufacturing, but also opens doors for further exploration and development in the field of robotics. As humanoid robots become an integral part of automotive production, they pave the way for a future where human-machine collaboration leads to unprecedented levels of productivity and success. Now let's get back to our first fully robotic factory in the US. Agility Robotics is opening a new factory in Salem, Oregon to make humanoid robots. It's the first of its kind in the world. Agility says the factory, called RoboFab, can make over 10,000 robots every year. They started building it in 2022. Contrary to popular belief, the factory will give jobs to more than 500 people. They'll make the robots called Digits. Digits can move heavy things in warehouses. Damian Shelton, the CEO of Agility Robotics, says their goal is to help people by making robots. They want to solve problems like injuries and not enough workers. The COO of Agility Robotics, Andrea Campbell, is in charge of making the factory bigger. She says it's great to build it near the other office. It will help them grow fast. Campbell thinks the factory will change how people work. They can make lots of robots and create good jobs. Agility Robotics is making robots to help humans do less boring and painful work. They want to make it easier for people who work in places like warehouses. Right now, there aren't enough workers for these jobs, and the ones who do work often get hurt. Robots can help, but they're usually too expensive or not good enough for all tasks. Instead of replacing people, Agility wants their robots to work with them. They've made a robot called Digit, which can walk and do tasks like lifting boxes. Amazon is interested in using Digit in their warehouses. Digit isn't just a robot that looks like a person. It's designed to move and act more like a human, which makes it safer to work around. It can even adjust its movements if it bumps into something. Agility is building a factory to make more Digits, and Amazon is testing them out. Digit is going to help out at Amazon. It will do repetitive tasks like moving empty boxes. This will make things easier for Amazon workers. They hope these robots will make work easier for people, and eventually, they could be used in homes too. Another big company, GXO Logistics, which handles shipping and storing stuff for other companies, is also trying out Digit. This robot is being tested in Georgia to see how well it can help with warehouse work. The idea is that it can pick up things and move them around, which could make the job safer and let people do more important tasks. Digit is about as tall as an average person and can lift things that weigh up to 35 pounds. It's designed to work alongside people in warehouses without needing big changes to the place. GXO and Agility Robotics are teaching it how to do simple tasks like moving boxes around. This can make work easier for people in the warehouses and help them feel happier about their jobs. If this test goes well, they might use Digit for more jobs in warehouses starting in 2024. It's all part of making the workplace better and using technology to improve how things get done. Both companies are excited about the possibilities this new robot could bring to the world of logistics, which is all about moving and storing goods. Now, let's gear back to the automotive industry. These developments show how high-tech robots, like those from Boston Dynamics, are moving from just dancing to actually helping in real-world industries. The latest abilities of the Atlas robot, like handling car parts, are a big deal. This could change how cars are made, especially because robots can handle heavy stuff precisely. Elon Musk wants to use similar robots in Tesla factories, and BMW is interested too. Boston Dynamics, now owned by Hyundai, could play a big role here. Atlas, though still experimental, could be a game changer in factories. BMW and the robot startup Figure are teaming up, showing that this technology is getting real. Figure is quickly sending out its android robots to do real jobs at the Spartanburg plant. They're figuring out the first tasks and training the bosses to use them. Brett Adcock, the big boss at Figure, says other car companies like Honda and Tesla know a lot about robots, but usually for specific jobs, not everything. At BMW's Spartanburg plant, they've already added a bunch of robots, but they want more agile ones for new jobs. They're training these new robots now. They haven't said exactly what the robots will do, but they'll start with a few and add more later. It might take a year or two to get them all set up. Bill Gates recently talked about his top 5 robot projects. The top one is Agile Robotics, testing robots at Amazon and planning to make lots more. Next is the Teal Project, with robots for gardens in Italy and other places. Then there's Uptronic, with a humanoid robot called Apollo, which can do lots of different jobs. Gates thinks it's better to teach robots by showing them, and companies like Figure and Toyota are working on that. Returning to Gates, one of his promising projects is the Robotics and Mechanism Laboratory at the University of California, where they work on different types of robots. Angel Robotics, a top company according to Gates, isn't new, but it still has potential. Another project Gates likes is a company called Field AI, which focuses on making robots that can move around and handle different situations. Chinese military officials have started using advanced AI systems like GPT for military purposes, but these systems still can't communicate like humans do. They're mainly used to process data and provide information. In a separate development, Tesla charging stations in Chicago had issues in freezing temperatures, leading to some cars getting stuck. While there's no official comment from Tesla, it seems like the problem might be with the station's function or the extreme weather. In China, a company called Ehang is starting to sell its unmanned aircraft for urban tourism, which can fly autonomously. This move coincides with successful tests of the Archer air taxi, a new mode of transportation expected to launch commercially in 2025. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.